Okay, so teachers, I just entered to platform.class2class.org. I log into my profile, and this is the homepage. Okay, I log in, this is my homepage, and on your left, you will see the menu. We have home, our updated Inspire section, connect, where you can connect with another teachers, my projects, resources, and my students. This time, we will focus on my project section. When you click here, you will have two parts. First is the invitations to projects, and then all of your projects that you are participating in. Okay, so I just click my projects, and also I have found these two buttons. The first one is Get Inspired. This button will take you to our Inspire section, where you will be able to join projects that are posted by teachers in our community. Also, this Inspire section will give you ready to use project ideas and collaboration inspiring stories, so you can get inspired and give you a better idea on what topic to collaborate. We have also the new project button, where you will be able to create your project from scratch. Here in the invitations to projects, you will have a list of projects that other teachers are inviting you to join. For example, Erika has the Biodiversity Explorer project, and she is inviting me to accept or decline her invitation. I can do it here, or I can click on see details and review the project she's inviting me in. I have here learning objective, skills, project timeline, and the whole description. If I like the project that Erika is inviting me, I click on accept or decline this invitation. Here in the second part are all your projects that you are participated in. Here you can filter by, in our search bar, by title. You can filter by type of collaboration or the SDGs that you have worked with. Also, you have this new card view of all your projects that you have on the platform. This is like a card view. But if you prefer and you say like, Gloria, you know what? I miss my all list view of my projects. All you have to do is click here in your right from card to list. Here you have all your project listed, right? In this form, I just click this button so I can have it as a card. Also, you will see these tags of inactive, active, pending, and observed. But what do they mean? The inactive projects are projects that you just created and you don't have anyone participating yet in your project. That's why it is inactive, because for a collaborative project, you need two people, right? Two, and the minimum is two teachers. So it is inactive when there's no one in the collaboration besides the host. Then when somebody accepts your project, or when you invite someone into your project, it turns into active. That way your project is in progress and you are making your project. Later on, when you finish your project and send them to our admin for review, it will be pending. This pending means that we as class to class are reviewing your project in order to accept or observe this project. If we review your project and we need more clarification, we will observe your project with some notes that it needs to be updated by you. But if we don't have any observations to your project, it will be automatically listed here in the finished list and tag as approved. Okay, so basically those are the tags so you can know the status of your project. So you can know where in the process is this specific project, okay? And now that you know everything that is here, let's go and create our project. In a previous workshop, Giancarlo showed you a little bit about our chat AI, right? That you can ask the AI to help you creating your project. So everything you need to create a project is on our platform. So click on new project and you will have our types of collaborations. Teachers, remember, everything that you create on class2class.org is support for our learning journey. They are three of them. First is let's get to know each other, working towards the SDGs, and finally creating solutions to real problems. Here you can read what is this collaboration about. We recommend that if you are starting in international collaboration, you start with the first one that is let's get to know each other. If you know a little bit more about the SDGs and you want to just keep growing and improving your projects, you can go to working towards the SDGs. And finally, if you want to try it out, design thinking methodology with your students, you can try our last type of collaboration. So let's use our AI chat so it can give us ideas. I ask the chat, create a project idea for the type of collaborations work towards the SDGs on SDG number 3 for students about 13 to 15 years old. So let's try and go with this idea of healthy habits. I just paste the title and I just paste the description of this project idea. If you have any images that you would like to upload, you can do it here. So let me upload mine. Or if you prefer, you can leave it also empty. Both ways are okay. And select the type of collaboration. In this case is work towards the SDGs. Here I said I want my collaboration to be for students from 13 to 15 years old. I just drag and select my student's age range. And for here are listed all the 17 SDGs. I will go with number 3. When would you like to collaborate? This is a new section because now every project that you create, you will be able to showcase to the community. So if you think of any project or you have already the time that you would like to collaborate, you can select it here. This case, I will select December. And the English level of your students, I will select intermediate. This is very important because this is another new feature called make this project public. This option will allow you to showcase this project to our community on a public way. Remember that in your schools, you have this mural or this bulletin, right? Where you add here, you pin there all the information, the public informations, and people can register. Okay, this is something similar like that. It's on a public way. You are saying, hey, I want this healthy habit project to be public and any teacher from the community can ask me if he or she can join to my project. So I just activate this option So it is listed on our Inspire section, and later on I will teach you how this looks like. And it's very important to pay attention to this small chart because these are some rules on class2class.org that is very important to follow. All the projects that you create must be free of any charges or commercial gain. As we are a non-profit organization, everything we give you is 100% free. And that's why we ask also our teacher community to please all the projects created must be free of charge. Uh, Directly or indirectly, uh, personal or commercial purposes here, fundraising or anything that goes off our politics is forbidden. So please really take care on this topic. We will be viewing your projects, and if you of course don't like for us to make an account suspension or project removal, please take this into consideration. So we will just create the project, and there you go, a congratulations message saying that your project is live and is created. From here, you can copy the link and share it in your social media, in WhatsApp, or anything that you would like other teachers or other people to join. Or you can just go directly to your project and we will go to our project so I can explain you what you will find here. So the first thing you see is this banner that says, "Hello teacher, this project is currently inactive. To activate it, add a partner teacher." So the first thing the platform will ask you to do is to add a teacher because this is a collaborative effort, right? So it's inactive for now, but when you add someone here, you will activate this project. And the information that you just add, like the title, the description, and all this information is right here. Now, let me explain you about what you will find in this section. Teachers, it's very important that you can fill as much as information as you need for this project. Because if you want to share it with your colleagues or the teacher community in class2class, it needs to be full of information so others can join, right? For example, I just created this healthy habits project. It is public, but I don't have enough information. I just put the minimum. And so if I share my link, the teachers won't be able to understand that much what is this about. So it's very important that you can fill out and be as specific as you need for your project. When you finish creating the project, you will find here some tabs: overview, board, teacher, student, resources, and finally certificates. Each tab has a tutorial video. They are very short, 1 minute or 2 minutes maximum, and they will guide you on what to do in each section. So don't worry about that. In the overview, you can be and add all your information. You can be as detailed as you want. Let's click on enrich your project. And here, remember the skills we already discussed before about teamwork, adaptability, research. So here you can add the skills that this project is developing. Let's say I am working here on communication, teamwork, and global citizenship. Here you can add the specific learning goals that this project is promoting. So I'm just gonna copy here my learning goals. And also you can add a project timeline so other teachers can know what is this collaboration are going to have, how many sessions, what they are going to do, the activities. So let me here copy my project timeline. And of course, you have all of these text tools that you can just edit them so it is more visually attractive and easier to read. I just click on save. And there you go. You have here the learning objectives, skills, and project timeline of your project. Later on, you can go to board. What's the next thing you need to do is, of course, to share your evidences and everything that can tell us that you just actively participated with your teacher partner. And if you don't know what to do, you can watch our 1-minute tutorial on what to post in this section. And also we just give you a help here with a post saying what to do first, what to do next, in order for you to finish this collaboration. Here, teachers, you can add images, videos, documents. You can add links to web, and anything this board will help you to post it. For example, I'm going to write something, click on publish, and that's it. I will have it right here. So all the teachers that you invite need to uh, upload their presentations, their videos, everything on this section. Imagine that it's like a Padlet. I don't know if you have it. We have, for example, use Padlet where everyone posted where everyone posted their project ideas. Remember, like here when everyone posted their ideas. So here is similar like a Padlet that you just go write down what you need and post it, and all the teachers and everyone involved can see you. Then we have this teachers tab. And the teachers tab, it is to add the teachers that you have matched with. In this case, for example, I will add Gabriela and I will add Erika. Okay, so I am inviting them to participate in my project. And here is very important to know that the list that you will have here is for your matches. So in order for you to add teacher here, you have to match with them in the connect section. Okay, so I'm going to click on invite. And when I invite them, you will see that they are in this gray color. This means that these teachers are pending to accept my invitation to join my project. Okay, and when they, for example, Erika that is here, she just accept my invitation and automatically my project that was inactive now is active. Okay, so that's how you can know that your project is active. You can manage the teachers you invite in these sections. I can chat with Erika, or I can remove her from the project, me as a host. Also, you have your students tab. You will find here a tutorial on what to do. The students and everything related to your students needs to be managed in My Students. So imagine that you have students older than 13 years old and want to add them in this collaboration. All you have to do is click here. If you add them to class2class.org, they will appear here and you just have to select them and click on invite. If you haven't added them yet to sign up to class, you need to go to my students and from here, invite them. So this is the only way they can be added to you. This is the only way our platform will recognize that these students belong to your class. So please, the only way to add the students is from my students. Click on invite, and here you can add their emails, share a QR code, or share them a link so they can sign up on class, complete the profile, and be listed here under your My Students. If they already did this, they can be added here. If not, for example, if you said, Gloria, I don't want to add my students because they don't have 13 years old, they are younger than 13 years old, you can copy an invitation link and your students will be able to view your project just as a viewers, not as participants, just viewers, and they will be able to see your information, to see the project and the progress you are making with them, only as viewers. Or you can also show them this QR code that they can scan and view your projects again, only as viewers. So I just add my student and then I go to resources. You know that resources for teachers are very important because you use these in order to give the instructions to your students. You use the resources to interact with them. So when you click here, automatically we will give you coexistence policy. So you can share with students and say, hey, we are going to make a collaborative project and these are the friendly rules we need to keep in order to respect the other countries that we are going to collaborate. And these are the coexisting rules that we are all are going to respect, right? And then for you, there's also the politics of class to class that I just shared with you. Remember about uh, not fundraising or any commercial way or selling products or services. Here you will find and read our politics. Then we will automatically give you, as this is an SDG 3 project about working towards SDGs, we will give you an entire learning activity with a step-by-step, part 1, part 2, part 3, on what to do on this working on SDGs type of collaboration. Also, if you click here on SDG 3, it will give you an step-by-step on ideas, worksheets, videos about these SDGs so your students can understand a little bit more about this SDG. But if you say, you know what, actually, I don't like these resources, I would like to add my own, don't worry, you can click here on Explore and it will automatically filter by SDG and the type of collaboration that uh, you just created on your project. So it is easier for you to find related resources and learning activities for your project. So you don't have to look for them each one by each one. If you, of course, don't want these filters and you would like to see all the resources we have for you, just click here in all filters and you can just remove them from here, click on apply, and there you will have all the resources we have for you. If you would like, let's say, view this resource, you like it, you review it, you watch the video, just click on use these resources in order to add them to your project. Okay, so everything you need is here. And finally, teachers, when you finish your collaboration, when you add your evidences on the board, where you interact on the board, you go to certificates and you will be able to have a certificate for this collaboration. Now, this is also an update because our certification process is easier. All you have to do is read the criteria that we have for this type of collaboration. In this case, we have the type of collaboration working towards the SDG, and we ask you for a specific evidence according to your type of collaboration, okay? And here it will give you an very explicit, very detailed guidance on what do you need in order for us to certificate your project. And after you read all this, you just make a checklist. Okay, my partners have correctly at my school, they have completed their profiles. I have set the right type of collaboration. We have detail in the overview section and explain our project. We have met, our classes have met, our students have presented their presentation and discussed the SDGs. We have uploaded the evidences. You can mark this project as complete. You will see it is very easy and it will automatically go for revision for us. And what else we have here on our right side? If, for example, I already have Erica in my collaboration and I don't want my project to be public anymore. I just want my project to be private. For me and Erica, I just click here and turn this project off. If I want to keep it off, but I would like to share this link to other teachers, to a specific invitation to another colleague that I know, you just click here to copy this project and the other teacher will be able to request to join this project. And of course, if you have a meeting between, for example, I will have here a test meeting, you will be able here to just create it. And this way, Erica and me can know at what specific time I have to be on this meeting from Brazil and Peru side. Okay, so imagine that I just fill out my information, everything is here, everything is ready. I am ready to look for partners. I will click here, so it is public. I will go to the Inspire section. And hey, my project is here, it's public, so other teachers can request to join. So here you just need to review my project, just review my project and say, hey, I like it or not, and other teachers can request to join my project, okay? So let's go. Now I will teach you what a complete project looks like. Let me here. Okay, for example, this project has everything, is complete. I already share on the board some videos, PDF, presentations. I have all my evidences. I have teachers here. I have my student that I want her to be certified. My resources, I just uploaded more resources in my collaboration. I am ready to certificate. I just click all of them, mark as complete. I just give feedback on my project, and there you go. The status changed to pending, and the team of class to class will review my project. After the team of class to class review my project, I will have it here on the approved side, and on my certificates, it will have my certificate and my student's certificate. And that's it. Um that's the whole process of it. It is, I know that in first hand it cannot be, um, it has a lot of things to complete, but if you think about it, the platform will guide you step by step. And when every time you practice, you will be able to have more knowledge on it. You will be able to learn more, explore more, try to create different types of projects. And let's say that, okay, I already practice, I have a lot of projects here, and I like this healthy living exchange project. You can always edit it or duplicate it if you like it, and you can replicate it with other teacher partners. It is very flexible. Our platform is very flexible. You can add here a lot of your ideas. And in case that you need more help, that you have questions, you can always write to our chat, to our AI chat that is to 24-hour available, right? You can click here on the help to see our help videos. You can start step-by-step tours, and you can always chat with support. You can chat with us, and we will answer you here. So you can chat with us every time you need. So I hope this my projects section you could understand a little bit more. You have these pro invitations to invite. Now, I think something that I didn't show you was about accepting this. So all you have to do is enter to your project, click on teachers, and here is a message for Erica, for example. And if I know Erica, if I have met with Erica, or if I want Erica to join my project, I just click on accept or decline. If I am full in this project, I have enough teachers, I can also decline their request. So that's it, teachers. Now you will be able to make publish your projects so anyone can join. You can get partners. You can get an easy certificate progress on it. So yeah, that's it.